Welcome to Integrity Data. In today's tutorial, we're going to go over multi-week schedules. Multi-week schedules are basically rotating schedules. You may set one up so that the first week they work Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and the second week they work Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday in that fashion. Although you could set up Monday through Friday for 2 weeks and then push that schedule forward so that you can take advantage of being able to manipulate employee schedules in advance of when they are normally created. To get to the multi-schedule setup, we're going to go to Configuration, Rule Setup, and Multi-Week Schedule Templates. I have a couple in here. We just click Add New Schedule Template. You want to copy? Yes, because it's always easier if there's one in there. If not, then we just have to start from scratch. But when I select copy, it's going to give me whatever's in there and whatever's entered up here. This is the part that I like about selecting copy from rather than creating a new one or not copying from an existing one, because I don't have to go back through here and add these in, manually. But I do need to change the name so it doesn't match the name of my previous one. Round and grace, this is schedule rounding. If I put a 60 in here, if they clocked in up to 60 minutes early, it would let them clock in, of course, but it's not going to start the clock ticking, in this case, until 2 p.m. So if they clocked in at 1:15, fine, go clock in, take a nap, have your coffee, whatever. When the bell rings at 2 p.m., that's when you're going to get paid from. Not very many people utilize this. Please check with your company attorney before doing something like this in the rounding to make sure that it's acceptable. Most what I use here is report exceptions. How early do they clock in before we consider them clocked in early? Same with out, late, late out. The lunches, the 0 means how many minutes under the time we've designated for their lunch do I want to report on. So anybody that goes under 30 minutes, I want to see that in my report. Anybody that goes over 31 minutes, I want to see that in my report. But, maybe you would use 5 minutes. Anybody that took over a 35-minute lunch, let me see. So it's up to you on your policy and your needs as to what you place in these boxes here. But after you've created one, when you go and copy to make new schedules, these will transfer over for you so you don't have to keep adding them in. Create schedule on holidays. Do you have employees that are going to be paid holiday based on whether or not they are scheduled? If you do, then you need to create schedule on holidays. If the employees are going to get a holiday, whether they're scheduled or not, then we don't need that. Start date of the week. This is the day we want our schedule to start. So if I have Sunday as the start day of my week, and I'm just going to come down here real quick and delete all of these because I'm not going to use them. I'm going to edit this one because it's easier than adding another and going through the whole rigmarole. Now, it's asking for a day number. If I use the start day of the week as Sunday, this is day number 1. So if I'm creating the first week of Monday through Friday, or Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, day number 2 is going to be Monday. And from day number 2 to day number 5, copy. Whoops. I'm just being lazy here rather than adding 3 of them. Copy these out, and I'm going to delete number 2, the second one that was in there. So Monday, Tuesday, I don't need Tuesday. Wednesday, Thursday, I'm doing Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So I can get rid of this one. Edit, Number 4, that's Wednesday, edit. 6 is going to be Friday. Saturday is 7. Sunday is 8. Monday is 9. The next day I want to add is Tuesday, which is going to be the 10th day. You can put military time in. 19 signifies 1900, which means 7 p.m. Or you can click from here to add, or just enter like this, whichever works easiest for you. Lunchtime, 30 minutes. Lunch start, 4 p.m. Now, I just need this lunch start to be somewhere between here and here. Likely I would leave them both blank if it was this short of a shift, but this is just a demonstration. So I'm going to click save. So now I got Tuesday. We're going to skip the 11th. Whoops. That's probably going to add another 10 in for me. Copy that. Yeah, it added more in. So I'm going to delete the 10th here. So this is Tuesday. This would be Wednesday. I'm going to get rid of it. This is Thursday. This would be Friday. I want to change that to Saturday. So I'm going to add 1-4. So now Sunday being day number 1, Monday is 2, Wednesday is 4, Thursday is 5, Friday is 6, Saturday is 7, Sunday is 8, Monday is 9, Tuesday is 10, Wednesday is 11, Thursday is 12, Friday is 13, and Saturday is 14. So I have this schedule the way I want it. And I'm going to go ahead and just click save. At that time, I could assign the employees to it through here. Click on filter, and we'll choose an employee. We'll do Alex 5, confirm, and OK. Employee assigned successfully. Now, we've got the schedule built, we've got the employee assigned to it, but now we need to build that schedule out to a date that we want. So we're going to go to Configuration, Employee Schedule Builder. And there's Alex 5. My start date, I may do the 30th here. My end date, I'm just going to click here to advance this out. I don't want to go too far out, but this will put it to December 2025 just as an example. And I'm going to end this on a Saturday, so 12/6. I'm going to put the date in here that I'm starting. Check the box because this is the employee that I want to push that schedule out to. Do I need this on here? No, it's going to take care of it from up here, but you do need to check process on all of the employees that you want to build their schedules out, regardless of which schedule they're on. You'll notice there's not a specific schedule to build this out. I'm just doing the employees that I wanted attached to it, but if I were to select here for Lois, whatever she would be attached to as a rotating schedule would also be processed out from here. So I'm not going to mess with hers. Don't want to risk messing anything up. Just choose the employee that I added this to and then build for selected, then click OK. Employee schedules built successfully. Now from here, I can check on how well I did. I go to Edits and Employee Schedules, or I could have gone to Time Management to the employee's timesheet and looked at their schedule. But I'm going to show you this, Employee Schedules, and it's starting on Sunday, so I don't have to click on the calendar and choose Sunday. It's already there for me. And I'm going to choose my employee, Alex 5. And we can see is 2 to 7, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Click out the next week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Click out the next week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. But maybe on this day, I need them working a little bit longer. So I can adjust that day manually just for this employee on here. Now, the multi-week schedule is nice because when the employee goes, if they're using the e-time clock or mobile app or whatever device will show them their schedules. I'm not sure if the mobile app will, but certain clocks will, and of course the web clock will show them their schedules. If I've built it out, it's going to be in there for them for the entire month, year, whatever the case may be. As I make changes, when the employee logs in next to view their schedule, they'll see those changes in there as well. It's not going to notify the employee that they've had a change to their schedule, but if they're watching their schedules, they will see their start and stop. Or if they have a question for that day, they can open up their schedule and see whether they're scheduled to work or not. So this concludes the multi-week schedule. Thank you for watching.